Do you want to enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort and style? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we've gathered some incredible gear designed to level up your camping, fishing, hunting, and all kinds of outdoor adventures. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just starting out, these innovations are built to impress. So get ready, let's dive in and discover the tools that'll make your next trip unforgettable. OPUS Smart Tent. The OPUS Smart Tent brings high-tech convenience to camping, inflating itself in just minutes with the push of a button. Depending on the model, it can comfortably accommodate either 4 or 6 people. But this tent does more than just set up quickly. The built-in batteries don't just power inflation, they also let you charge your gadgets on the go. The 4-person model includes two 3,000 mAh batteries, while the 6-person version comes with 5. Both versions feature 3 distinct zones: a cozy bedroom, a central living space, and an outdoor area. Every zone includes integrated lighting, and the bedroom can be darkened for privacy and better sleep, without blocking airflow. The layout is designed with impressive attention to detail, offering both comfort and functionality in remote settings. The starting price is $2,090 for the smaller model and $2,900 for the larger one, making this tent a smart upgrade for your next adventure. The GoCamp. The GoCamp is a compact bike camper made for cyclists who crave adventure with comfort. It's designed to carry all your essentials while giving you a cozy place to rest, no matter where the road takes you. This clever camper includes a fold-out side table for meals or morning coffee, a built-in fridge to keep food and drinks fresh, and charging ports to power your devices. Inside, there's enough space to relax, read, or unwind with a companion after a long ride. Thoughtful touches like towel hooks and organized storage make life on the road simpler and more refreshing. And with 250 watts of electric assistance, hills and long distances become less of a challenge and more of an enjoyable journey. Once parked, the GoCamp expands to offer even more space for sleeping or lounging. It's compact when towed, but transforms into a surprisingly functional shelter. You can even detach it from your bike to explore towns without dragging the whole setup. Whether winding through quiet countryside or arriving in a new city, the GoCamp helps you travel slow, stay self-sufficient, and feel at home wherever you go. Cooling style. Cooling style is, according to its creators, the coolest portable air conditioner available. Shaped like a compact backpack-sized box and weighing less than 6 kilograms, it offers true portability, perfect for outdoor trips or small indoor spaces. Despite its size, it's powerful enough to cool an area of 5 square meters within minutes. But it's more than just an air conditioner. Cooling style also repels mosquitoes using ultrasonic waves, charges devices through 2 USB ports, and creates a relaxing atmosphere with built-in LED lighting. It offers versatile power options too. You can plug it into a household outlet, a car's cigarette lighter, or rely on its built-in 30-ampere battery, which provides up to 5 hours of operation. Whether you're camping, working in a small shed, or relaxing in your backyard, Cooling Style brings comfort and convenience with modern features. The price? Just $250 for this all-in-one cooling solution. Winnerwell Iron Stove. The Winnerwell Iron Stove is a rugged, limited edition stove crafted with a nostalgic 19th century aesthetic and built for serious outdoor use. Priced at $385, this compact stove blends vintage charm with modern functionality, justifying every cent for adventurers who value quality and style. At its core is a cast iron fuel tank paired with a steel burner, capable of running on kerosene or paraffin oil. A full 600 milliliter tank provides around 5 hours of steady heat, making it ideal for long, chilly outings. Despite its solid build, it weighs only 2.4 kilograms, light enough for easy transport, but tough enough to withstand harsh environments. Whether you're camping, fishing, hunting, or diving into bushcraft, the Winnerwell Iron Stove is made to perform. Durable, efficient, and timeless. It's more than just a stove, it's a companion for the wild. The Intex Canopy Island. The The Intex Canopy Island is your own personal floating getaway, a hybrid between a lounge raft, a shaded canopy, and a cozy sofa. Whether you're drifting on a lake or relaxing in a pool, this inflatable island brings comfort and style to the water. It even features 2 built-in cup holders, so your favorite drinks are always within reach. Designed for shared relaxation, it supports up to 200 kilograms and offers a generous 2-meter diameter. Perfect for lounging with a friend. Safety is built in too, thanks to 2 separate air chambers that add peace of mind in case of a puncture. Weighing 10 kilograms, it's a bit of a lift to carry, but the reward is floating luxury wherever you go. For $128, the Intex Canopy Island delivers sun, shade, and serenity, all in one inflatable package. EO Canopy. The EO Canopy brings hotel-level luxury to the wilderness. It runs on a powerful 154 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which can be expanded up to 4 times. Its solar panels generate around 64 kilowatt-hours per day, allowing for complete off-grid living, even running the air conditioner non-stop without draining power. It also features an atmospheric water generator that extracts up to 68 liters of water daily. A shower and recirculating bathtub are included, and up to 70% of used water is purified and reused. The interior offers about 15 square meters of smart living space designed for maximum comfort and efficiency. Whether you're deep in the forest or on a remote mountainside, the EO Canopy delivers reliable power, clean water, and a comfortable retreat from the elements. Starting at $150,000, it's a serious tool for those who want to explore nature without sacrificing modern comfort. The RQOUTDOOR is not your average camping chair. It's a high-tech blend of a rocking chair and a 360-degree carousel. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want comfort with a twist, it offers a 15-degree reclining feature and full rotation for total relaxation wherever you set up. Despite weighing less than 2 kilograms, the RQOUTDOOR is incredibly strong. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum, it supports up to 113 kilograms, making it about 40% stronger than standard camping chairs. It may look light, but it's made to handle serious conditions, from tropical humidity to freezing cold environments. The creators even guarantee its reliability in extreme settings. Sleek, innovative, and boldly engineered, the RQOUTDOOR proves that outdoor gear can be both lightweight and tough. You can experience its unique design and unmatched performance for $200. FLEXY Pro. FLEXY Pro is a clever hybrid that functions as both a backpack and a portable wardrobe. It might sound unusual, but it makes perfect sense. Why let your backpack go unused when it could serve a purpose even when you're not on the move? This versatile design adapts to your needs with 3 adjustable capacities: 17, 35, and 42 liters. Whether you're heading to work, going on a weekend trip, or packing for a longer journey, FLEXY Pro adjusts accordingly. And despite all that flexibility, it weighs just 1.2 kilograms, comparable to many standard backpacks. Built for durability, its internal frame is reinforced with fiberglass, giving it structure without adding weight. Whether you're an urban commuter or a frequent traveler, FLEXY Pro is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. The price for this innovative, shape-shifting backpack is $170, a smart investment in everyday functionality. BeTRITON. Now this is a hybrid worth celebrating. Meet BeTRITON, the amphibious electric bike camper that turns travel into a true adventure. Built for 2 people, it combines a bike, a boat, and a camper all in one compact and futuristic design. According to its creators, it's not just a vehicle, it's a memory-making machine. BeTRITON is not about speed. On land, it cruises at up to 25 kilometers per hour, and on water, it glides along at 8 kilometers per hour. But that slower pace is intentional. It gives you more time to soak in the view, breathe the fresh air, and share the experience with someone special. If both electric systems, bike and boat, run out of power, you're still covered. Pedals on land and oars on water keep the journey going. Though a sail might have been the only thing missing, Then again, that could have pushed the price above its current $11,000. From forest trails to tranquil lakes, BeTRITON is all about exploration at your own pace. Cercle. Bicycles have come a long way, and Cercle is proof of just how far. This innovative creation transforms from a regular bicycle into a compact mini camper, complete with a fold-out bed, a small kitchen, a workspace, and a tent. It's designed for true nomads, offering freedom without sacrificing function. Despite all these features, Cercle remains surprisingly compact. It's small enough to be transported on buses and trains, making it ideal for multimodal travel. The design also includes mounting points for various panniers, so you can carry extra gear comfortably on longer journeys. And it's not just theoretical. A prototype of Cercle has already logged over 1,000 kilometers on the road, showing it's built to last. While the final price and production schedule are still unknown, this bike camper hybrid is already turning heads. Would you ride into the unknown with a camper bike like Cercle? For those seeking independence and adventure, it just might be the perfect companion. YETI Hopper. Say goodbye to bulky, awkward coolers. The YETI Hopper M20 redefines portability with a soft cooler design that wears like a backpack, freeing up your hands for the trail ahead. It holds up to 36 cans, or 10 kilograms of ice, making it ideal for extended outdoor trips without sacrificing convenience. Its magnetic closures keep the cold locked in and the heat out, while the rugged dry hide fabric resists ultraviolet rays, punctures, and everyday wear. Whether you're hiking up steep trails or navigating dense forest paths, this cooler is built to endure. Plus, with radio frequency welded seams, it's completely leak-proof. No messy surprises on your gear. Built for serious adventurers, the YETI Hopper M20 combines toughness, performance, and hands-free comfort. Tackle Smart Scadle. Tackle Smart Scadle is built for catch and release done right. Designed with both fish and fishermen in mind, this smart mat makes it easy to weigh and photograph your catch without causing harm or hassle. It features built-in digital scales capable of measuring weights from 100 grams to 5 kilograms, ensuring accurate readings for everything from small catches to impressive hauls. The mat is mounted on a stable frame, offering a secure and quick setup for both weighing and snapping that perfect photo. When the day's done, the mat and frame fold neatly into a dedicated carrying bag, making transport simple. The full kit weighs just 4 kilograms and costs $231. A smart investment for ethical anglers who want precision, convenience, and portability all in one.